Hey everybody, this is Rapid Fills here. Haven't posted in a while, so I thought I'll just come up with a video for you guys, which is it's gonna be today's trade, SURF. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. I'm at Rapid Fills right here. You can see I post my watch list and I post my trades and my entries and exits. Uh, I try to bring in some value as much as I can. Anyway, so Surf is the trade of the day. Surf is a low flow. If you don't know what low float means has smaller float than normal stocks or mid cap or large cap stocks. So it has 15 million. They came up with a headline saying that it's some kind of related to COVID-19, I believe, or something like that. So it has a good headline. It has a low flow. The stock is cheaper. I know a lot of people are looking at this as a long. For me, I wasn't looking for a long because if you do look at long, you have to make sure that the stock doesn't have warrants, doesn't have any shelf registered, so you don't get dumped on. Like I believe NNDM did it yesterday or something. I'm not sure, but I think it did it pre-market. Yeah, you can see you will be buying right here, thinking this thing is gonna bounce off of the support, and then it get dumped on. So almost like you get like a 50% haircut right there. We don't want that. So this stock had actually some warrants, so I did not look at long, but I was looking for a short. Now the stock I was kind of had it on a side watch. I traded multiple stocks. I traded TTWO, and I traded Spot today. I traded Surf, obviously. Anyways, you can go to my Twitter at Rapid Fills, right there at Rapid Fills, and follow me. As I said, you'll find a lot of stuff that I post. Anyways, let's get to it. So the stock has low float, flag number 1 for me, has a good headline. Flag number 2 has a registration, so no long for me. I'm looking for a short. That means, okay, the stock is gonna go up at some point. All the buyers gonna turn around, sell their stock. That's what I'm looking for. And the kicker was easy to borrow. So that means IB Interactive Brokers, which is the broker that I use, it had some shares to short. So I'm like, perfect. I'm just looking for that opportunity to short. So if we look at the beginning of the day here, it kind of ramped up and then rested, ramped back up. This is the area where I was looking at. I was looking for this to actually, okay, that's it. This is a top. I saw the high volume coming in. People are stuck, so I started shorting. Right here. Let me add my trades right there. Okay, here we go. So I started shorting under the VWAP, as you can see, and then the stock got bought back up. I didn't like that. I covered right away. I closed the piece and then it started coming back up. I closed the other piece. It went over VWAP. I was like, okay, so now we have people bought over the VWAP thinking this thing is gonna bounce back up. If it cracks back down, now we have a short setup. So this is exactly what I did. I shorted again. This thing's getting bought back up, and I didn't like the action. I was looking at the tape, and I'm like, there is a buying going on. Sure enough, as you can see, this thing kind of holds under VWAP, traps shorts now because it's easy to borrow, right? So a lot of people are trapped right now, and then this thing pops back up over VWAP. Everybody thinking, okay, now we're shorting right here, holds VWAP. Now everybody is scrambling to actually cover the short, and it pushes to higher day. This is the second setup that I try on, which is the higher day. As you can see right there, it goes over higher day. Now it sucks in a lot of buyers, right? You can see the volume, and it comes right back down. If you were buying right here, 760s, 50s, whatever, when it starts coming back down, you probably going to ditch it, right? And this is exactly what I did. As soon as I saw the tape, it was giving a lot of shorts, was giving a lot of red prints, whatever, and starts rejecting that 750. I joined the short, started covering in, comes right back down. You can see right here, support becomes resistance. I add, expecting this is the top, obviously. My average was probably somewhere here. I add to it, and then I cover again, and then I cover again. I wanted to cover here, but didn't get that fast, so I just ended it right there. Anyways, this is my trade for on surf today, I just wanted to point out things that you need to look at when you see a stock running, right? What's the headline? What's the float? What's the short interest on the stock, right? If the stock has a lot of shorts stuck in it, the stock gaps up, a lot of those shorts are going to close it. That means it's going to squeeze. If the stock is easy to borrow, that means you got to be careful because the stock can really squeeze because a lot of new shorts got into it. Yeah, so this is it. If you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment box and take it easy, guys.